Good afternoon. I'm going to show my BK9 survival kit. So this is a complete kit. So there's an Altoids survival kit in this pouch here. This is a sagewood leather sheath. I've got the extra long ferro rod. Got a bit of fat wood. It's scout carry. That's just standard. So it's just the standard BK9. BK9. I still have got to square off this edge so it can be a striker for the ferro rod. So so that's pretty much it for the outside. So it's the ferro rod, the fat wood. So just take that into account. That what else is in here? Even though this Altoid survival kit is sort of standalone as well as a it's so one thing I couldn't fit the plastic bag in there. So this is the water carrying capabilities of being able to have some carry capability. So let's see. So just open it up. So it's a bit stuffed, a bit full. It's not it doesn't pop up, but I'd need ranger bands on it if I was going to carry it alone. So let's have a look. So $50 note. Because of high inflation, really this won't get you far, but it's just for emergencies. So this is a bit of that stretchy tape that you can use to repairs, and it would also be good fire starting. Here's a fishing kit. There's rope, there's beads, there's hooks, there's a few weights, there's some eyelets, to make hook eyelets, and that to make like a makeshift rod. So there's the whole kit in there of fishing kit. A few little goodies. Striker for the matches. Some a razor blade. So it could be a good cutting tool. So this is a little dolphin kerosene lighter that I keep in here for months and months and months, and it stays so yep, it's good to go. Yeah, I filled it up though. I filled it up recently, so it's all good to go. And I've also got this little rechargeable torch. One thing you've got to make sure when you're doing Altoids kit is make sure to get something that's twist, because if you have a button, it's bound to switch on in the tin. I used to have a button one, used to switch on the tin. So I got a torch, a lighter. Here's a button compass, one of those NATO army compasses. So it's supposed to be real hard wearing, and I mean this is a kit that I've been collecting over many years. It's developed over about 10 years, so it's got a few extra bits in it. So some thread, some nylon thread. Here's the juice. Leatherman squirt. The Leatherman little squirt. And, so it's got all the tools on it for just a little multi-tool to keep in there. And another cutting tool. It's this has actually got a square edge, so that can do a spark on a ferro rod, and it fits in there, and it's just quite a nice little knife. It's quite sharp. So get these magnets out. Ooh, maybe not. So a big needle, big darning needle for stitching. Some small brass wire. This is a minute ferro rod. So as it is, it's like a standalone kit. If I didn't have that and I just had this, it can give a bit of help. So matches. So let me just get this. So some couple of nails and two high-powered magnets. They're magneted together. So just think if you ever needed magnets. And nails always handy in a kit. So then there's the little can opener. It's a scalpel blade, another cutting tool, a button for repairs, another button. This is some water for purification. Purification, decontaminate water with viruses and that. So that's for the bag. I really need a straw in here, really, so I can drink it out of a straw, but can't fit everything. So that's a little thread thing, that thread helper to thread a needle. It's quite a handy little thing. Now here's some tin foil, just a thin layer of tin foil. Yeah, it's just all tin foil. So this is a little pencil, little right in the rain sort of pencil. So another match and a candle and another nice big safety pin, smaller safety pin. Just some bandages. So this is just a little towelette, It's got alcohol in it, so it's flammable. So it could be used as a fire starter or to clean. A pair of tweezers, just basic tweezers out of a Swiss Army knife. Just handy to have. And this is a pen out of a Swiss Army card. One of those Victorinox Swiss cards. It went through the wash, but the this still works. So another pen. So some more matches. Another button. Going down to the nitty gritty. So a alcohol pad, swab pad for wounds. Some more matches. Another alcohol pad. I'll just tip some of this stuff out. So that's a little bit of wet and dry. Wet and dry. Was it? I don't know what grit it is. 50, 475 grit. I'm not too sure what grit it is, but it's wet and dry, so that's a good bit of sandpaper. And so another big needle, real big massive needle. Some of these safety matches, needle. So some write in the rain paper, just a little bit of paper if you want to leave notes, and a Fresno lens. So yeah, it's all. And then there's just another big needle. This is a different one that's got a sort of a sharper tip. Could leave it for leather or canvas. So and then it's just cell tin. So that's the kit. That's my full-on kit with the all the gear. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment and subscribe. What do you think I should take out or add to the kit? And let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.